Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. No! Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Dot and he said, stop this chaos on the train. No! Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi-do, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train.